Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate with Supabase SSO and RLS in Softr. Detailed guide step by step clearly. First, navigate to the Supabase website and sign into your account. Once logged in, create a new project if you don't have one already. Within your project dashboard, locate the Authentication tab on the left sidebar. Click on Settings under the Authentication tab. Select the External OAuth Providers section. Enable the single sign-on, or SSO options, you wish to integrate. Make note of the client ID and client secret provided by your chosen SSO provider. Next, go to your Softr application. In Softr, open the Settings menu from the top navigation. Find the Authentication section to get started with SSO integration. Enter the client ID and client secret from your Supabase settings into the appropriate fields. Ensure you set the correct redirect URL for your SSO provider, matching your Supabase project settings. Now, let's set up row-level security, or RLS, in Supabase. Go back to the Supabase dashboard and select the Database tab. Choose the table you wish to apply RLS to. Make sure to enable row-level security by toggling the setting on. Next, create policies to define access rules for each user role. Utilize SQL commands to specify conditions under which users can read or write data. Test your policies to ensure they function as expected. Return to your Softr application and connect your Supabase database. Check that the correct permissions are set for your user roles in Softr. You can now build your app, incorporating the authenticated user's data and permissions. Make sure to conduct thorough testing to ensure that everything integrates smoothly. Once everything is set, your users will be able to authenticate via SSO and have their access controlled by RLS policies. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.